Hello and welcome to this week's Primed Insight. My name is Steven and I'm a manager here at Blast One. Today we're going to discuss comfort. Now we all know that blasters experience some of the most uncomfortable, if not downright brutal conditions each and every day on the job. They're surrounded by dangerously high pressure, clouds of dust, exposure to the elements, not to mention confinement in a helmet for several hours each day. Well, as the seasons shift, we're here to remind you that there is equipment out there that can not only improve your comfort, but also better your work conditions. So here's Gavin to explain the RPB C40 climate control tube.
Greetings. Today I'm going to talk to you about the RPB C40 climate control tube. This climate control tube is unique in the industry because it can do heat and cool. By simply switching the lever, you can heat your air by up to 33 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 18 degrees Celsius, or you can switch it back the other way, and you can cool your air by 52 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 29 degrees Celsius. What does that mean for you? That means if you're in the change of seasons when you're blasting, early in the morning it's quite cold, so the blaster can turn it on to heat and have heat in the morning. Midday, turn it part way, and it's just an ambient sort of temperature. And in middle, 2 o'clock in the afternoon when that sun's beating down on you, turn it on to cool. 52 degrees of cooling. Keep the operator comfortable whenever he's blasting. Finally, this is designed to mount vertically on the blaster's body. That means when all the air will come rush out away from his body and not injure them. It also means that this 360 degree swivel will hang directly down off the body and won't get tangled up. This is just another example of superior equipment from Blast One. Thank you for watching.
So there you have it. Regardless of whether you're heading into freezing winter or blistering hot summer, there's no reason to be less comfortable than you need to. Thanks for watching this week's Primed Insight. See you again next week.